Coming up on how bad can we fuck this up. We do brakes on a 2007 to 2009 Sprinter. For this video, we'll only be doing the front brakes. The parts you'll need are the rotors, new pads, and highly suggest the brake pad wear sensor. The first step will be jacking up the vehicle. The first step is going to be to remove this reverse Torx looking bolt that I've addressed in some other videos. Ours was pretty rusty, so we ended up having to take it off with a vice grip. You'll then want to remove this sensor from right here. We're going to be using a flathead screwdriver. Next step, it appears, is to pop off these rubber caps. I believe those are going to give us access to the calipers. Hopefully you can see that. Second one is down here. Take a H6 Allen driver bit to remove those two bolts. After you remove the caliper, the next step will be removing the caliper bracket by using a 21 on this and this bolt. Oh, bastard. Now that we have the caliper bracket removed, looks like this. The next step is going to be to remove these two right here. 21? Hey, 21. 21. The next step is going to be to take a T30 torch driver to remove this